With 2023 behind us, it's time to predict new trends for the upcoming year. In 2024, the NUCIDA QA Experts detected an increase in fast and gradual releases powered by an Agile and DevOps approach, as well as a stronger reliance on automation, AI, and machine learning. An overarching theme this year is the focus on quality of speed, as developers look for new ways to test software quickly without compromising on quality. Therefore, the NUCIDA consulting team encourages our clients in the automotive, financial, medical, pharmaceutical, software development, and government sectors to strengthen their abilities in the following 5 topics. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell. Never forget our upcoming sessions. If you have any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Our QA experts will reply in time or even produce a new video about your topic. 1. Agile and DevOps. Agile and DevOps testing will keep gaining traction throughout 2024, helping businesses develop high-quality software faster. DevOps enables businesses to get an overview of the entire development, delivery, and operation process, while Agile testing encourages iterative workflows with quick adaptations to change. Both approaches are big on collaboration and transparency among cross-functional teams, shortening the software lifecycle from development to delivery and operation. Daring to test new ideas, even though they might fail, establishing feedback loops to constantly improve the development process, and automating repetitive tasks are all key components of Agile and DevOps testing. 2. Codeless test automation. Another software testing trend of 2024 is teams becoming more reliant on automation, which is spurring the development of codeless tools, reducing the need for extensive coding skills. Codeless test automation tools make it possible for non-coders to take part in testing, encouraging collaboration in true DevOps spirit, and expanding test coverage. As a result of the market demanding quality of speed, teams are also embracing shift-left testing, enabling them to test earlier in the development process. Shifting left makes it possible for teams to identify defects early on, reducing costs while improving quality and maintaining a high pace. Our new test automation tool, Ask UI Studio, is the answer right for that. I recommend checking it out. See the link in the comments. 3. API and services test automation. The trend of API-first development continues to rise in 2024, along with the need for API and services test automation. Issues with an application's API layer can cause errors or delays for users, damaging customer trust, increasing customer loss, and adversely affecting the company. This creates significant pressure on development teams to ensure APIs are always up and running smoothly. Continuous API testing is essential to maintain the quality, functionality, and speed of your endpoints, ensuring users enjoy a flawless digital experience. Automating API tests to run at set times, frequencies, or as part of CI/CD pipelines enhances test efficiency, minimizes human error, and allows teams to make quick and reliable updates. As the integration of API testing into team routines deepens, we can expect a rise in test automation, a sharper focus on testing for API security, and a move towards uniform testing methods across companies. 4. AI and machine learning. We can't make trend predictions for 2024 without talking about the impact of AI and machine learning in software testing. With OpenAI, we constantly see new technologies make their way to the market, and if you haven't built a generative AI product yourself yet, the question is probably not if, but rather when. AI and ML are already helping us generate test cases, automate repetitive tasks, reduce human errors, and increase test coverage, and there's no doubt the usage will keep expanding rapidly this year. With our new test automation tool, Ask UI Studio, we have invented object detection based on AI and ML. Now there is a tool detecting objects like humans do. For teams applying an Agile approach, AI and ML can be used to discover patterns in test data and predict defects, enabling developers to zero in on the parts of the code that have the highest risk of containing defects and fixing them early on. 5. Mobile test automation. The development of mobile apps is booming, resulting in a growing need for mobile test automation. In 2024, businesses are looking for faster ways to perform mobile testing without compromising on quality. On that note, we can expect to see more real device cloud testing, with testers using a cloud-based platform to remotely test mobile apps. Real device cloud testing is easy to scale and cost-effective, enabling teams to perform software testing across multiple devices of various types without being tied to a physical inventory. As more companies get into mobile test automation, security testing is becoming increasingly important this year as well. Businesses will need to verify that their mobile apps are resilient against threats, offering secure data storage and sufficient binary protection, to name a few. A common denominator for the software testing trends of 2024 is the need for quicker development processes without sacrificing quality. The market is calling for faster, high-quality software deliveries, urging developers to embrace an approach fueled by cross-team collaborations, flexibility, and automation. By applying Agile and DevOps methodologies, automating processes, and finding new ways to use AI and ML to enhance your testing, you'll be well prepared for what 2024 has in store. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell. Never forget our upcoming sessions. If you have any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Our ISTQB, ITK, X-Ray, and TestRail certified QA experts will reply in time or even produce a new video about your topic. Please also check out our other videos. Happy testing. See you next time.